Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Once in a while I work on my friends' cars, and this is one of them. It's a right-hand drive Mark IV Supra. We did some work on the motor and it's looking good. Just fired it up, so figured I'll share a little bit the specs on this beautiful RSP. So the motor got an Eagle 3.4 stroker crank. It's got ported head. It's got the BC 272 cams, induction performance, ignition system, Powerhouse Racing cast manifold, Precision 6466 Gen 2. Got FID 2000cc injectors. It's got a Haltech engine harness, the 2JZ to Elite 2500, flex fuel. Show you here. So you got a Elite 2500 with the harness that goes with the Haltech. You upholster the seats. I'll show you the other side. It's got titanium exhaust. I believe it's a Tomei Extreme TI. It's pretty loud. TRD wing, Ridox body kit with the front bumper. It's just took it off. Carbon fiber interior. Well, it's dipped. Haltech IC7 display. Let's wait till it boots up.